Banks and simple interest part 4, practice set 41. From that question number 3, Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9% per year in a bank for some years and withdraw his interest of every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. For how many years had he deposited his money? Here how many years, means time period we have to find. He deposited the 12,000 rupees, so this is the principal, 9% is the rate, and withdraw his interest every year. So in the formula of interest, principal, time and the rate, from that principal is given, rate is given, time is not given and interest is not given. Again two values are not given, but here this amount is given. Means at the end of the period he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. So students, this 17,400 is the amount, and amount is calculated with the sum of the principal and the interest. So principal plus interest is amount. Principal is 12,000, rate is 9%, total amount is 17,400. So we know the formula that A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to P plus I. Here amount, this amount is 17,400 is equal to principal is 12,000 plus I. So this principal we have to minus from the amount. We will get the interest. So interest is equal to 17,400 minus 12,000. So interest will be 5,400 rupees. Now we know the three values, so we can use the formula that I is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So when we write the formula, put the values in it. After calculating, you will get the 5 here. Hence Javed had deposited the money for the 5 years. Fourth question, Lata Bain borrowed some money, borrowed some money, means principal is not given, from a bank at the rate of 10% per year. So this is the rate of interest for 2.5 years. So this is time. Start a cottage industry if she paid 10,250 rupees as a total interest. So this is the interest. How much money had she borrowed? Let's write first that principal is not given. Interest is 10,250 rupees. Write here rupees. Rate is equal to 10%. And time is given in the mixed fraction 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5 years. So let's write the formula and put the values in it. 10,250 as a interest is equal to P is not given into 2.5 into 10 upon 100. For our convenience, we will write this to the left hand side. After calculating, you will get the 41,000 principal. So Lata Bain borrowed the 41,000 rupees from a bank. Okay. Now the last question in this practice set, one table is given. In that only numbers are given, means the principal or rate of interest or time is given. You have to calculate the interest, or somewhere amount is given. From that you can calculate the interest. Okay. So each question, students, you have to solve there. Understood?